Okay, we'll choose this one, spreadsheet. Okay, okay, let's see on the same one. What did we do in the first one? We write here growing sunflowers. Okay, then in the column B we write, Yasmin, just look carefully because this is a kind of a revision for you. Monday. Then you will write here in C, Tuesday. Wednesday. Okay, and then because many of the students have told me the Wednesday is not clear, so we just move a bit here. Okay, and then we write here Thursday. Okay. Now in the cell 3 we write here plant plant 1. Okay, then on Monday 2, then Tuesday, on Tuesday you will write 5, Wednesday 7, Thursday 9. Okay, okay, now what you will do, now listen carefully, this is your, now from here your second chapter will start. As you have finished the first one, what you will do, highlight that like this. Okay, then go to insert. Look, the button which is given up, it's insert. When you click on the button, as same given in your book, you have recommended charts. Look here, a new dialog box will open for you. Now isn't it the same one which is given in your book on page number 89? Please have a look. Open your books, page number 89. Do you see this in your book? Yes. Okay, now we'll choose the graph. Which graph we want? We want line chart. This is called line chart. Okay, okay, and see, it has created for you the line chart. Okay, so can you see what is given up? Plant 1 day. So how did your plant grow? So we converted all this which was given here into a line graph. This is what your activity, making a line chart. This is what was our chapter 6.2. You will do in the same way. Okay, and then you will send it to me. Got it? This is called line chart. Don't forget to highlight. First of all, you're going to highlight this one. I will repeat. You're going to highlight this one. Then you will go to insert. Okay, let me highlight that for you people. Okay, what you will do, you will going to, okay, see here, this is the button of insert. After that, you will click. What you will click? You will click here. Click on the insert. Look, I will click on the insert button. And then when you click on the insert, okay. You have here recommended chart. If you see, let me circle that for you. This is recommended chart. See, this is your, yes, when you click this one, you will have this chart here. Okay,